Variables. Variables are the names we assign to memory locations where we are going to store the value. For example, if there is a value called 10, to refer that we are using A. Now A refers to the value 10. You can change this. Now we're using string. Now A is referring to Sai Satish. Now let me show you one more example. Now guess the output. The recent location for A is 10. So it will print 10. Now guess the output. Now the recent location for A is Indian servers. Right. So we can perform operations on these two. Let me create one more variable called B. Now, if you type A plus B, do you think arithmetic operation is going to perform on this? No. Concatenation operation will be performed because A and B both are strings here. You can notice both the variable values are printed. Now, let us alter B equal to A. Now guess the output. Whatever A is referring to, B will get that particular value. Now A will get Indian servers and both are going to get like this Indian servers. Now let us see some mathematical operations on variables. Let me delete all this. A equal to 45, B equal to 90. Now what we are going to see is we are going to use some inbuilt functions. Don't worry if you can't understand what's a word called function. We'll learn what the functions are and how to create functions in further videos. Print of absolute value of A, ABS will give absolute value. Now you can see 45, 45.5. So it's absolute value of A. Now coming to negative number. So this is the absolute value function. The next function is power. Print power of A comma B. This is the value. Now let me reduce the values so that it will be easy for understanding purposes. Next, if you have bunch of values, for example, marks equal to 45, 55, 88, 98, and let us figure out the maximum value in the marks. Print max of marks. Here is output 98. Let me delete these two for some time. Hope you remember the comment. Hash symbol we use to make the lines as a comment. Now we'll get only one line, 98. And minimum also you can use instead of max. minimum 36. So what's the value in binary? Let me comment these two now. What's the binary value of 4? You can use bin of A. This is the binary value of numeric number 4. What's the hexadecimal value? Print of hex A. This is a hexadecimal value of 4. How about 45? This is a hexadecimal value of 45 and binary value of 45. Now you can also try with oct value. Now let us see how to do some mathematical operations. To perform mathematical operations, we have to import a module called math. Import math. Let me clear all these things so that it will be easy for us to understand. So if we wish to perform some operations like square root of 9, let me use some simple variables. Print math dot sqrt square root of 9. You can also mention, otherwise you can also mention like d. This is the output, square root of 9. How about for a? Instead of variables, you can also mention numbers directly. Okay, let me mention float value 25.5. Perfect, right? Now let us see some more functions. Here some of the functions of math. Explore most of the functions which are available in math. Now let us see for trigonometric operations. And here are the some functions we can use for trigonometric operations with the output. Sine, cos, tan and other operations you can perform using math library.